In times of grief, or at the time I'm feeling restless, alone in emotional pain and tears, struggling with my own thoughts, confused about what's wrong or what's right, overwhelmed with the inner and outer voices and those hands which are trying to chain my soul. I'm running to be by the waterside in search of peace, silence, tranquility, and stillness that lies below the stormy waves. In this place of solace, I'm listening to the music of my own breath. Inhaling and exhaling, one breath more freely to the next. No beginning and no end, just like the waves, rolling from the ocean and then they move out. The water is reflecting light to me, the shining light that I would like to be. I became a child of pure light, resting between the water and the sky, in perfect harmony of my body and my soul. In my sacred place and time, I'm expressing myself through dance. The movements come directly and freely from my soul and my heart. And I'm so happy to serve the universe with this universal dance. My breath I release to the wind makes me become one with the wind. The waving movements of my veiled body and my arms is like the flowing water in and out of me. The water and I become one, and I'm feeling at peace, so free and not afraid of life. My thoughts in all that I think and do are sacred now. They help me to bring that pure, innocent child back to me. The child that was created out of love, to love and to be loved. I'm turning away from the complications of life. I'm looking inward for the stillness, for the inner light that I know it must be cultivated all the time. I want to become that peaceful flame that illuminates the universe. And I don't want to cause any harm to anyone. My heart is open. It radiates unconditional love, acceptance, forgiveness, harmony and peace. It prevents any negativity from entering my sacred space and time. I'm one with the water. I'm one with love. I'm one with the universe. We all are one.
I've worked in construction for 40 years. I am, and always will be, Leuna.
Construction is one of the most stable industries in today's economy. There's plenty of opportunity, so come and learn at the LiUNA Local 183 Training Center. It's the right place to start. If you're thinking about your future, you can learn a skilled trade through hands-on training and classroom training. LiUNA Local 183 Training Center is excellence in training. All apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training Colleges and Universities. Become an apprentice and learn new skills which will open the doors to a rewarding career. Visit 183training.com.
I just started my training and I am Liuna.